Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone. So, today is the second day of June, 2026. So, as always, today's the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. So, yesterday I received a package from a partner. They sent me a message on my Instagram asking me to collaborate with them. So, it was sent on March 31st, 2026, but I just received it yesterday. So, inabot ng March, April, May, April, May, June, tatlong buwan. Dalawang buwan, to be exact. So, 2 months waiting time before I receive it. So, this is the package. So, it's funny because look at the receiver, nakalagay pa rin, Shirley Bosa Sadowski. Okay. Well, my name is Shirley Bosa, hindi na po Sadowski. Anyway, so this is it. Let me open the package. Okay. There you have it. And then, okay, so this package came from Story Jewelry Company. Their company is located in Missouri, USA. Joplin, Missouri. So it's from Story Jewelry Company. And then they also have this thank you card. Thank you. Welcome to Story Jewelry Co. Your recent purchase has woven a piece of you into our story. Thank you for choosing us to be woven into your story. We named this line The Full Story with a desire that each piece serve as a reminder of His mercy that's new every morning. So as I am waking up, it's a good reminder that His mercy is new in the morning. A reminder during difficult seasons of pain, suffering, and loss that these too shall pass. Very timely for me. And my story isn't over yet. The peace you choose holds a special place in your story. We cheer you on as you too press forward, clinging to faith, hope, and love. Blessings, Jeremy and Christy Evans. Thank you very much, Jeremy and Christy Evans, for choosing me as your ambassador to wear your necklace. I mean your pendant. So thank you. This is how it looks like. So it is it's two angels, and if you put a light in front of it, you will see the shadow, the face of Christ. I'm going to take a separate video of how it looks like closer, but this is the picture. So this is how it looks like. There are two angels, and then if you see the shadow in front of it, there are it's forming the face of Christ. So yan po siya. So may dalawang angels. So may this be a reminder that God is always with you. And then look at this face of Christ. And then they also sent me a lot of chains. So you have a lot of chain to choose from. Okay, so there is a lot of chain to choose from. So merong ganito, this one, and then they also have two more chain that you can choose from. So I think I'll go with this. It's so cute, and it's also a birthday present for me because I am celebrating my birthday on Sunday the 7th of June. So thank you very much, Story Jewelry Co. for sending me this. This is an early gift. Thank you very much. Okay, there you have it. Have a beautiful day and keep shining for Jesus. And ciao.